How to transfer Bitcoin from Bitget to Binance on PC. Now, first of all, open your Bitget account, and now after that, head over to wallet and click on it. And now after that, in the select coin, now just search for Bitcoin like that. Now after you found your token, now click on it. Now here click on chain and select the network as the BIP20 because it will cost you the less. And after that, to get the withdrawal address of that or the Bitcoin, you can go and get it from your Binance account. Now first of all, log into your account. Now head over to wallet and click on spot. And after that, click on deposit. Now here click on deposit crypto. Now in the search for Bitcoin like that. After you find it, now click. Now select the network as the BIP20 as you selected before in the Bitget. After you select it, you can copy the withdrawal address. Now go back to your Bitget and now paste the token address here and now click on next. After that, here you can type how much you want to transfer like that. And after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds or a few minutes, you will be able to receive your Bitcoin on your Binance account. So this is how to transfer Bitcoin from Bitget to Binance on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.